Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you a quick video of my beautiful Hmong ID reels. So these reels are plastic reels that have a silver coating on top, just like a silver film on top, so it looks like metal. I bought the metal ones last time, and with the wire reel, but it wasn't turning out as I had hoped, so I switched to the plastic ones, which have been better. And here are some of the options. So when I make my batches, I usually will do the picture and then I'll put the letters on top, so you can go back and forth between the picture and the letter to see which one you'd like. Maybe next time I'll put the picture, one above the other, like both together on one page, so you guys don't have to go back and forth. Hopefully that will be easier. So I do have a couple left in stock. This is the back of the ID reel. It's a clasp, and this one, when you wear it, it actually is pretty tight on your collar part. So try it out. Maybe you might like this one. I know some people like the alligator one, but unfortunately I can't find any alligator ID reels that have this silver coating to it, so then it's another challenge for me. So for now I have this type of reel, and as you can see, it looks like this. I use second silver charms, and then everything else, is just the rhinestones. And you can see even the real flowers, the dried flowers up there, the purple and the pink. And then I do coat everything with resin once I'm done, so there shouldn't be any peeling of the stones or anything. It should be pretty sturdy. If you do receive one and you feel like it's gonna peel or something, just message me and we can work something out. I could probably just even give you a discount or a refund, or if you want to just return it, I can give you a refund. But I haven't had anyone mention that it didn't seem sturdy or stuck on well, so I'm thinking no, it's been fine so far. Okay, and here are some more options. I have more simpler ones on that right side there, for if you have a guy friend who would like something Hmong, to be worn at his workplace. And then I have also the girlier ones with the flowers and going all out, because they're so beautiful. And there's another close-up of this one right here. Is pretty popular. I'm actually out of these little rhinestones, so I think I have a purple color I might want to use for my next batch. I'm thinking maybe in 2 weeks. There's still a couple of them left, so for finishing I have A and B, H, K, L. So I can show you. We have A, B, H, K, L. So we have the top two in the left corner, the purple one with the rhinestones, and the pink one with the little girl dancing on top, and then it's colorful and it has a gold heart on the right corner there. And then the other ones are these more simpler ones. I love that one with the sow because it has the flowers just like blooming from inside. So I just thought that was so cute. And then the other one on the top there, it's kind of like with the pink rhinestones, it's kind of like a 3D look, where the pink rhinestones are kind of off center. So if you can see the picture, it's not equal. It's just I kind of move the rhinestone or the sow to the side a little bit, and then the rhinestones are like kind of making it look like it's 3D. But those are the ones that are left. So also because